Hello everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. I am so delighted to share my journey for getting rid of the 10 years plus brown room sports center. Now we are now empty nesters on a journey to live as a mature couple. And that means selecting items that complement who we are in this season of our lives. Now this catnapper couch has served us well over the years. It's a reclining couch. The rug in there is too small because I purchased several nice rugs only to have things spilled on them while they're watching the game. So lessons were learned here. So now I'm getting what I want in this space. I can appreciate having pieces of furniture that I can move into different spaces to serve different functions. Like this console can be placed in the living room, behind the couch, against the wall, as well as in the dining room. If I were on Let's Make a Deal, I would be the one that had a tape measure in their purse. These chairs have a wide seat. I didn't want to do another couch. I was attempting to do a love seat. However, with those measurements, I would still be back in the same predicament, just a wide piece of furniture taking up a lot of space. So I wanted comfort and I wanted style. I purchased some additional fabric to make a slip cover for the back of the chairs. You'll not be able to tell when it's on there. I'm so glad I found these ottomans at a liquidation store a couple of years ago. They are very flexible. Again, using existing items, all I have to do is make a slip cover. So let's have a throwback. What is your mood when you see this space, my old space? Honey, even with the old rug still in place, I was convinced I was headed in the right direction. I already know my pops of color will need to be in the rug and decor. That means more DIY decor and shopping on a budget. This rug was purchased on Wayfair during Wayfair days. It's by Josh in Maine, and it was $168. It was a huge deal, guys. I really got a great deal. I got the colors that I wanted, that deep rust, those blues, and you got your tans and khakis in there. I love it. I also love the border, how it plays well with the console. Looks absolutely amazing next to each other. And by the way, my new rug is an indoor-outdoor rug. So to clean it, all I have to do is take it outside, hit it with my pressure washer, and I'm back in business. Now, modern traditional is my vibe now, so I'm still shopping my home for my traditional pieces to incorporate into the spaces downstairs. So I'm going to bring you guys back to let me finish up this cabinet. Now, once the chairs arrived, I placed a small table from my craft room between them. I did not like how much space the table consumed. So I found these small beverage tables on Amazon. They're in other stores, but they are twice the price. The reviews for this small beverage table were very good. I ordered one of them in bronze. I tested it on low and high pile rugs, and they did great. They did not fall over. I just ordered my second one. And another texture is added. I really love that hammered effect. The link is in the description box of this video. When you learn better, you do better. I am being very intentional about sprinkling the colors and textures throughout my spaces in our home. And of course, there is a fresh floral arrangement coming for the mantle. I want to do something similar to what's on the table. I came up with a plan, I came up with a color palette, and I'm sticking to it. I'm taking my time. I don't want to rush the decision-making process just because I have the space to feel. You all know how much I love decorating with the color blue. Blue is my dominant accent color. It is my neutral. Everything else kind of evolves around it. I'm going to drop blue in everywhere that I possibly can to make my spaces very cohesive. So yes, you'll see those tans, those taups, those beiges. There will be neutrals working behind my blue and pushing it out. That's why when the rug hit the floor and the pillows hit the chairs, the room went nuts, and I was quite happy. I am using this nightstand to store candles and coasters. This coffee table was perfect for this space. It was just the perfect piece to top it off with a different finish, and you can see the medallion underneath the table in the rug with that additional bold pop of color. Well, that's it for me, guys. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like the progress I have made in this space. We are really enjoying this space. I know it's a big transition from dark to light. And when we want to eat and have popcorn, this is what we do. We whip out the blankets. Yes. So if crumbs hit or whatever, we're good to go. We are relaxing in these light colors, guys. We really and truly are. I know people who have white couches and have white blankets on top of the seat cushion, and they enjoy them. So, hey, at least it's not your grandmother's plastic cover. The chairs and TV console came from Phillips Furniture in Warner Robins, Georgia. They ordered those for me. I really love the selection there. This is not a sponsored ad. It's just a great place to shop. If you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so today. Turn on the notification bell to see what else I am up to, guys. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.